You're going down, Dehumidifier.
You're going down, Humidifier.
I'm gonna make it so damp in here.
Oh yeah? Well, I'm gonna make it so dry in here.
Wait, you feel that? That's condensation.
Ah! I'll make it so dry it's gonna be like Rykard in here.
I'm afraid I don't get that, Dehumidifier.
Extra dry.
Oh, I'm gonna make it so moist it's gonna be like Betty Crocker in here.
Oh! Cake's my favorite desert. Desert. Get it? Cause it's dry.
Oh, what if Aquaman and Michael Phelps had a baby in a tank at SeaWorld? It would be half as damp as I'm gonna make this room.
It's gonna be dry like your mama's in a blender all night long.
Uncalled for. That is uncalled for. Your mama's so damp she has to use a slip and slide to get down the hall.
That's it. I'm gonna turn the air to sand.
Oh yeah? Well, how about this? What do you think about that, you dry piece of comfort facilitating machinery?
I think two can play this game. I'm gonna play it dry.
Twist!